Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by melting chocolate and butter together. Use a heat-proof bowl over simmering water or short bursts in the microwave, stirring often to avoid seize. Once melted and glossy, whisk eggs and sugar until pale and slightly thickened so the batter traps air for lift. Make sure to sift flour to prevent lumps, then fold gently to keep aeration. While folding, preheat the oven to 220 degrees C and prepare your ramekins so you can pour immediately. You now combine melted chocolate with the egg sugar mix, add the chocolate in 3 small additions to temper and keep the eggs from curdling. Once integrated, fold in the 35G flour in gentle strokes. Overmixing deflates the batter and ruins texture. Make sure to scrape the bowl sides so every bit joins the batter. Pour into ramekins filled to about 80%. This level gives a set edge and liquid center. Tap lightly to remove air pockets before baking. You bake the ramekins at 220 degrees C for 10 to 12 minutes. Watch for a set outer edge and a slightly jiggly center, which means molten core. Once done, cool the ramekins on a rack for 1 to 2 minutes, then run a knife around the rim and invert onto plates. This brief rest helps release them intact. If a cake center fully sets, make sure your oven runs true to temperature and reduce baking time by 1 to 2 minutes. Next time for reliable lava.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.